friends, now let us see the first week of March for Cancer, zodiac sign Cancer. We are going to remove 4 cards, friends. 2 from tarot deck, 1 from normal deck, 1 from another tarot deck, 1 monology, and 1 from keeper's deck. Okay. Let's see how the first week of March for Cancer. Thank you. Oh. 1 from another tarot deck card for Cancer for the first week of March. Thank you. Thank you so much. 1 from monology. A very beautiful card. It tells the effect of moon on us, because we know that our emotional level is guided by moon. Yeah, thank you very much, Cancer. Thank you. 1 from keeper's deck. Cancer. Oh, 2 of Cups. Very beautiful card. See, when we see 2 of Cups, it is the card for the partnership, maybe in the love, maybe in the career. You will have someone who will help you. Business, maybe you will have a very good partner, because you'll be blessed with the angel. Both the cups are full. So, full of emotions, full of your desires, dreams. And when you see this card, you see both the people are looking at each other with trust. So I think trust is important. So first week of March, definitely you will have a good partnership in all the way. You'll have trustworthy people near you. You'll be full of emotions. Now let us see the other tarot card, 10 of Swords. Okay, usually when we see 10 of Swords, we are frightened. But here I see that somebody is waiting for the opportunities to come. Opportunities are moving up only, but not looking. You're not aware of the opportunities which are surrounding you. See, 10 is the number of completion. Definitely, you're going to have something which will make your cycle complete, but you're not aware. You're not looking at opportunities. Please look at the opportunities which are there. You're just looking ahead, but not looking up where the opportunities are there. Now let's see what the monology card gives you. New moon in Aquarius. Bring love into the situation. Very beautiful. Just see. Bring love into the situation. Partnership card, 2 of Cups. Definitely love is very near. North Node. First time this card has come, friend. It is step out of your comfort zone. Because 10 of Swords, you see, you have to come out of your comfort zone and look for the opportunities and just go ahead, because the people are going to help you. The people trust you. Even you trust the people. So just go ahead. Don't feel lonely. Don't feel sad. People are there waiting for you to help. Next, see, yes, concern. See, you are concerned for so many things in your life. You are worried because 10 of Swords, we saw that only you are worried. So you are not looking at the opportunities which are there. The card concern also tells me that you are thinking too much. Instead of thinking, just focus. You see, when you focus, you will see that many people are surrounded. You are surrounded with many people who are ready to help you. There are many opportunities who are just on the way for you. Just go and grab it. Come out of your comfort zone and just grab it. Now let's see what are the general messages for you, friends. Cats. The first general message for you: meditation, yoga, because you are very feeling sad, lonely. So I think if you do yoga, yoga, meditation gives you comfort. It gives you peace. Obsession. Too much thinking is also an obsession, friends. Letter Q. The next message for you: flowers and fragrance. Yes, surround yourself with the flowers and fragrance. That is, you may use fragrance oil also. Letter M. Essential oils. Yeah, death. So with this death is not physical death. Death is in a way, whatever negative thinking is there, just end it up and go for the best in your life. Because once you become positive, you take the things lightly. Your commitment is being tested. Yeah. Universe is going to test you because the people are there who are supporting you. But let us see what you can do. So actually you are being at test. Okay, collaborate, teamwork. I told you, because 2 of cups, definitely teamwork is necessary. So just go for the teamwork, friend. Letter Y, maybe someone from letter Y. Okay. Sagittarius, somebody from the Rashi is going to help you. Now let us see what are the love messages for you, friend, for the first week of March for Cancer. Letter R. Maybe somebody from letter R is loving you. Yes, friends, are you aware of it? Letter M, I'm sure only letters are coming, so somebody is going to help you, love you. Okay. Abundance. See, abundance is there. Then why you are feeling sad? Why you are feeling lonely? Enjoy the company. Pregnancy. Oh, beautiful card. The next is wedding. See, 2 of cups, commitment cards, wedding. So just don't feel lonely. Enjoy this first week of March, friend. It is the week of commitment. Okay? Commitment in love, in your profession, in your career. So just enjoy it. Thank you.